What's up, guys? So today's video, a group of us met up. We went to a big bike meet in Athlone. Turnout was amazing. I did an intro in person with the GoPro on, but I wasn't happy with it, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover here while the video plays in the background. So we have sitting beside us on his 2025 CBR 1000 Triple RSP, we have Lukey. We're waiting on Tom's throttle. He's got a brand new 25 Triumph 765 RS. Then we have, sitting at the road there, we have Moto Jack, we have Phantom R1, then we have Hugo, we have Seb, and we have Marcin. We also have Jack's father. You'll be able to find their TikToks, their YouTubes, through their Instagrams. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and there'll be a few other voiceovers throughout the video. Okay, so at this point we're pulling into the meeting spot for the NDM meet. This is where the meet starts, the ride starts. We were early enough, there was only 2 other bikes there. We waited around for a bit, and then the NDM guys did a bit of a talk to say like where we're going, what the plan is for the meet, and then just for the guys that want to go faster and the guys that want to just chill out, just make it safe for everyone, whatnot. I'll insert a little video I took on my phone. The audio isn't great, obviously, because there's a bit of wind and I'm not terribly close to your man speaking. So yeah, just if you want to listen to it, the video is going to be inserted just now. If you don't, I'm going to put a timestamp here for you to skip back onto the bikes.
And we're going to go on by Delvin and up to Mullingar. We're going to go down onto the N4 and stop off at the Texaco station in Robinstown. Right, that's just to stay there. Don't have a flag or whatever, but we're only staying about 5 or 10 minutes. It's just to pick up any people that are meeting us there from that end of the country, and then we're going to go straight from there straight on to B&Q. So we're not going to be hanging around there, and we're not stopping before we go into a club. We're going to just go straight to it. All right. Okay. So perfect. Listen, we'll mount up. Okay. Listen, right safe, guys. All right.
He's on a 4. He hit the plate 4. That's not close. This Suzuki was looking at me in the mirror, seeing my camera, and just flipped his plate. Yeah. This one house is lovely with all the carbon fibre little extras.
Right, so I'm just going to end the video here. There's going to be a part 2 to it if you've lasted this long. The part 2 is going to be arriving at the second meeting spot and then arriving at the final meetup. I didn't do any video walking around there, so that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.